What is the 10th term from the end of NAP? 4, 9, 14, so on 254. First term A1 is equal to A is equal to 4. Second term A2 is equal to 9. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. 9 minus 4, that is equal to 5. Last term L is equal to 254. 10th term from end of AP is equal to L minus of n minus 1 into D. ఇక్కడ మనకి L వాల్యూ 254. లాస్ట్ నుంచి 10th టర్మ్ అడిగారు కాబట్టి 10 minus 1 into D వాల్యూ 5. 254 minus 9 into 5. 254 minus 45 is equal to 209. So first option is the right answer.